Hello everyone, my name is Kasim Lupao and I am one of the expert IELTS trainers here at Real Edge International. Welcome to our video lesson today where we are going to learn about how to write a Band 9 essay on problem solving questions. In our lesson, we will be presented with a sample problem solving questions and we are going to learn how to generate supporting points and finally together write a band 9 answer to a problem solving question. Here is our sample problem solving question. The first instruction says you are supposed to spend 40 minutes on this task, and the task is: global warming is one of the most serious issues that the world is facing today. What are the causes of global warming, and what measures can governments and individuals take to tackle this issue? The next instruction is write an essay of at least 250 words. Now let's begin with how to generate supporting points. Basically, this question is asking us to talk about the causes of global warming and the solutions to this problem of global warming. So what you need to do as you generate your supporting points, first of all, come up with a list of causes of global warming. And then from that list, select two. In my case, I selected number 1, industrial revolution, and number 2, deforestation. Then secondly, come up with a list of solutions to the problem of global warming. And then from that list, select 2 best solutions. In my case, I selected use of clean sources of energy and afforestation as my 2 solutions. Now, just to remind ourselves about the essay structure. So the essay must have 4 paragraphs: introduction paragraph, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and the conclusion paragraph. So the introduction paragraph should have 3 sentences where you paraphrase the overall question. Number 2, you state the causes or effects, and you state the solutions. And then body paragraph 1, this must have 5 sentences, and here you discuss the causes or the effects of the problem. Then body paragraph 2 should also have 5 sentences, and in this paragraph you discuss now the solutions to the problem. And finally, the conclusion paragraph, here you basically restate the causes or effects and the solutions to the problem. Our sample band 9 response. One of the greatest challenges that the globe is currently grappling with is climate change. This is mainly caused by industrial revolution and deforestation. Luckily, this problem can be addressed through use of clean sources of energy and afforestation. Body paragraph 1. The 2 main causes of greenhouse effect are significant increase in the number of manufacturing plants and wanton destruction of forests. This is because many factories use burning of fossil fuel as a source of energy, which leads to increased release of gaseous chemical compounds which culminate in thinning of the ozone layer up in the atmosphere that later results in atmospheric warming. Additionally, cutting down of trees will cause accumulation of carbon dioxide gas in the air, which in turn increase the amount of ultraviolet radiation that reaches the Earth's surface. For example, since countries like China, Japan, and South Korea took up industrialization as an approach to grow their economies, lots of global warming effects have been felt in the Asian region in the recent years. Thus, a surge in the number of milling plants as well as logging are the main contributors to the problem of greenhouse effect. Body paragraph 2. The use of alternative sources of power to run machine shops and increasing the vegetation cover on the Earth's surface can go a long way in solving this menace. Since electricity can be generated through many other safe ways, nations need to invest in such approaches. Furthermore, planting of special crops can be used to neutralize the bad gases that are emitted to the atmosphere or universe. For instance, in the coastal part of Kenya, the government and other stakeholders have come up with a project that aims at restoration of the ecosystem through establishment of mangrove forests. Therefore, safe sources of electrical energy and planting of trees are major solutions to this unpleasant phenomenon. Conclusion paragraph. In conclusion, mushrooming of industries coupled with clearing of flora are the leading predisposing factors to variations in climate. Fortunately, this can be solved by not only venturing into safe ways of generating current that run assembly lines, but also growing of trees. Thank you. That is the end of my lesson today. I look forward to seeing you again in my subsequent lessons.